Hello, sir.
Namaste,
We
Ma.
begin today. Namaskaram, sir. We begin today's session with a prayer. For the prayer, I call upon Dr. Rajkumar, Department of Samhita Siddhanta, Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapitham, for the same. Dr. Rajkumar.
Namaste, madam. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible, Rajkumar. You're audible.
Yagadirugan saradanushaktan Asheshakaya prasadanasheshan Austukhyamoharaditan jaghana Yopurva Vaidyaya Namostu tasmai Namami dhanvantari madidevam Surasurairvandita padapadmam Loge jararubhaya mrityunasham Dataramisham vividaushadhinam Sarve bhavantu sukhina Sarve santu niramayaha Sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kasit dukkha bhakavid Sahanavavadu Sahanau bhunaktu Sahaviryam karavavahe Tejasvinavadhidamastu ma vidyushavahe Asado ma sadgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityorma amritam gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
Thank you, Dr. Rajkumar. I think we have already reached the maximum limit of today's session. As a representative of Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapitham, we have been conducting Gurumukham series right from our starting of lockdown period, I think probably from June, wherein we thought of mentoring our teachers is very important to make our next generations to come up. So the series was begun with Dr. P.R. Krishnakumarji from AVP Coimbatore, with the intention for all the faculty of Ayurveda Academy coming together, sharing thoughts, having insights, so that we can work for the next generation together. Today, to welcome Dr. Mahadevan sir, I don't think Ayurveda fraternity need any introduction to Dr. L. Mahadevan sir. He is known to all of us as a great clinician, as an academician, and I think throughout India, all over the world, through the n number of books that he has written out of his clinical experiences. But as a student of Mahadevan sir, probably the best way that I could define myself, I want to welcome Mahadevan sir in a different perspective today, because I have seen a different face of Mahadevan sir too. I was fortunate enough to be with him during Sundays in my PG days when I was doing my PG in Government Ayurveda College, Trivandrum. So whenever I used to get time, he was practicing in Darsanangop in Nagarkovil. I used to be there over Sundays, of course, not every Sunday, many Sundays. And post that, I also had an opportunity to co-author a book with him on Snehabanam, and also be with him for some kind of treatments at his center too. I have seen a different kind of Mahadevan sir, wherein how an Ayurveda physician can express himself at all levels, other than being a great scholar, I could say. I would share a 2 or 3 small experiences because I'm very aware that everyone is waiting for his session. But still, one day what happened during one of my presence, a case, a child of 10-year-old girl came with an abdominal pain in the OPD and all. So he had suspected, I think she was having some severe pain in the abdomen. And they were very particular that they'll show to Mahadevan sir and he himself. And he was very
Hello, Dr. Ramya.
yeah.
You are not audible in between.
You're not audible?
You are not audible in between.
Okay, 1 second. 1 second.
She was audible. I was able to hear her properly.
1 second. I'll 1 second. Okay. I think now I've changed the system. Now I'm audible. Fine. Okay, I'm audible. Okay. So that case has actually that case as a student and as a physician has actually intrigued a lot of things. Sir detected some kind of peritonitis and he immediately referred the patient to a modern hospital near his center. And in the evening, I could see basically sir leaving to a place very quickly. So I asked, sir, where are you going? I have to see what happened to the girl. Let me go. I've already talked to the gastroenterologist. So I have to go to the hospital. And he was very well specifically going to the hospital to see the girl who had come to him. I had seen Mahadevan sir supporting many girls in her villages, in the villages for their educational purposes. I have seen Mahadevan sir in many cases, in many places, wherein he was involved in so many things like burial of those dead bodies who did not have enough money for the karmas and all, supporting many people for their daily activities. One more touching incident that I've seen, probably I don't know Mahadevan sir will be aware or not. One day I was here during that period when we were writing book on Snehapana. So I could, when he was traveling, a very shabby kind of man was standing over there in the street. Okay, he was not even eating. We could see he's a mentally unstable person. So Mahadevan sir actually called him. Okay, and then he was in the car, and I could see him give some money to that person. And he told, go and have food. Okay, and whenever you need something, get back to me. That was Mahadevan sir was telling. So I later asked, sir, who was he and what were you doing? So I don't know whether sir remember it or not, but I remember sir told me he is actually my classmate in my 3rd or 4th standard. We studied in the same village. Okay, so he has to be supported. He is my nanbale, even though he is like that. So how a physician, how the multi-dimensional facets of Charaka, when we think we just recently countered Charaka Jayanti, being a physician, a clinician, a philosopher, a socially responsible individual, so many things can happen, can be a part of a physician. So naturally, this how an innocent and beautiful human being he is. I had an opportunity to witness it very closely, probably. So, sir, to welcome you to this Gurumukham series, wherein we have Ayurveda faculty listening to you, I think it's one of my greatest pleasures and heartfelt gratitude that what all I have learned from you as a student. So on behalf of all of us over here, on behalf of the whole family of Ashtangam and all the faculty who have joined here for the Gurumukham series, we welcome you to the scenario. And I don't think you need any, like the usual thing, you did BMS from there, MD, now in Pankaj Kasturi and all such things are kept aside when you are on screen. So we are very happy to have you. So on behalf of all of us over here, sir, wholeheartedly, we welcome you to the session. So thank you, sir. And I also welcome all our faculty, our Ashtangam principal, sir, Dr. Narayanan Nambi, sir, Prasad, sir, and then our senior faculties who are there, and all members of Private Ayurveda College Teachers Organization in Kerala. I welcome all of you. So as an official part, I call upon Dr. Purushothaman Nambudri, our medical superintendent, Associate Professor, Department of Shalyatantram, for the felicitation before we begin the session. Purushothaman sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
You are
Namaskaram,
audible, sir. You are audible.
I'm extremely happy to be a part of the Gurumukham series. In everyone's life, there will be some favorite teachers who made them, what made them favorite, our favorite, is the knowledge, is the communication skill, or the presentation skill, etc. There are some of those factors which attracted us, made them our favorite. But in my opinion, in a medical academy, only a very good clinician can become a very good teacher. He must have a first-hand experience in diagnosing and treating a variety of diseases. Apart from these qualities, he must also be a good teacher, author, a good teacher, an author who publishes his findings, and this thus provide his clinical experience to the budding generations. Today, we are privileged to have respected Mahadevan sir, who is an epitome of being a very good clinician, teacher, as well as an author. Once again, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir, to today's Gurumukham series. I hope all the faculties of Ashtangam and the members of PACTO will be benefited with this. Thank you, one and all.
Can I start?
Thank you, Purushothaman sir. I now hand over the mic to Dr. L. Mahadevan sir, and I'm sure Saju, his secretary, is near him to support him. So welcome again, sir, and hand over to you, Mahadevan sir.
Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much. My dear Ramya, Rahul, most respected scholar, Prasad sir, most respected Nambi sir, and all my friends. It is an honor and a privilege to be invited as a speaker in Ashtangam webinar series, Gurumukham series. Today, I am going to talk about how to become a successful practitioner and a teacher. There are a lot of references available in the text. Doctor-patient relationship, Maitri, committed friendly approach, Arteshu Karunyam, soulful compassion, Daya, Yadevi Sarva Bhudeshu Dayarubena Samstita, Namastasya, 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 namo namaha. The compassion is very much interested for a healer. Doctor and healer are different. Doctor is a teacher, it's a Greek word. Vaidya also, he who gives vidya. This compassion towards the suffering and to lift up the people from suffering is very important. Sakya Pridihi, satisfaction in therapeutic output in curable cases with concern. Committed treatment which non-attachment to the result in incurable cases, which is told in Charakam Sutram Puttaka Chadushpadam. See the values told in our text. Professional and personal life of doctors. While medicine can be very fulfilling profession, many doctors are dissatisfied and have very little time for them and their family. If you are very busy, you don't have time for your family. If your wife is an Ayurvedic doctor, then there are a lot of advantages. Doctors suffer from depression 4 times as often the general population. Once you get name, fame, money, reputation, but if you go on getting myopathy, multiple sclerosis, MND, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, autism, Down syndrome, Charcot-Maries tooth disease, acute inflammatory demyelination, all these types of diseases. At the end of the day, the hard work we put will not yield any profit. Profit in the sense relief to the patient. Relief is possible, but cure is not possible. Shamanam is possible. Nivritti is not possible. The answer what other doctors say, Asadhyam was told in Charaka Samhita also. What doctors need to learn is to work smarter, more efficiently, more productively, with more satisfaction. Even I did not develop this by experience in after treating 24 years, after treating few lakhs of patients. I learned it little by little by little. The problem is that certain skills, especially time management, knowledge management, relationship management are not taught in the medical schools. The education of the doctor which goes on after he has his degree is, after all, the most important part of education. John Shaw Billings in 18th century he told that. When we study BAMS, we have little value. Then MD we gain, then experience we gain a lot. Now I tell the students, don't hear my talks, what I gave in 1998 and 99 in America, because things have changed. I was very immature. I was a theoretician and what I talked was nonsense. So by maturity, by treating, you become wiser. So I studied Ayurveda for a long period, then I studied modern medicine, then I am studying Siddha every day. Because at one part of the period I was in need of medicine. Now we have good students, good doctors, excellent teachers, excellent curriculum, excellent way of learning. Very knowledgeable students come to the BAMS course. But we need medicine. We need medicine. We need a guna-based diagnosis, medicine. We should not depend on companies all the time. If you don't know where you are going, you will probably end up somewhere else. Lawrence Peter has told. Therapy becomes healing only when the healer is involved. Chikitsa Purusham, that's what I learned. Therapy becomes healing only when you are involved. The fate of Ayurveda is different from the fate of BAMS doctors who intend to practice it. We are here, before a few years, some other doctor were there. We are like birds sitting in a banyan tree which is called Shaitya by Charaka Samhita. We birds come and sit and then go. But Ayurvedam is always there. Ayurvedo, Shashvato, Nirdishyade. Tradosham is there. Tradosham was there, is there, will be there. And you cannot change. Everything in the world will change, but Tradoshas will not change. That is the beauty of this wonderful system of medicine. If you consider Ayurveda as a practice like modern medicine, even I thought like that, seeing patients and writing prescription, we are mistaken. We are mistaken. Ayurveda is more than that. It's a way of living. It is Aparavidya, taking you to Paravidya. Sharira Madhyam Kalu Dharma Sadhanam. Dharmartha Kama Mokshanam Arogyam Moolamuttamam. So, Shariram is protected. Manas is enriched. Man has been subjected to suffer from 3 diseases: physical diseases, mental inharmonies, and spiritual ignorance. Adi Devigam, Adi Bodhigam, and Adhyatmigam. Ayurveda is the only science that touch all these 3 aspects. The aim of the study, the purpose of medical curriculum is to help the suffering humanity. So we should have a balance. You should have a balance over the theory, you should have a balance over the practice. If somebody is going on practicing and doesn't know the theory, that is wrong. Somebody is going on knowing the theory and not practicing, that is also wrong. So we should create a balance. Both the things are needed. Both the things should be respected. Some theories which are not useful in relieving the suffering by any means should be discarded or changed. The Ama produced by unused theory, rough theory. Sometimes students from some colleges, some institutions, somebody trained by some gurus come and argue with me. Rasase Shadhiranam, they argue. 13 types of Mutragadam, the Sannibhata Jwaram told by Bhava Prakasha. What can I tell? They ask me, why did Sushruta did not talk about Astivaka, Majjavaka, Srodhas? How do I know? I don't know why he didn't talk. So that becomes the issue of their discussion. Very deep discussion and other things. But if you ask him, how do you diagnose a pulmonary hypertension? If you get a case of pulmonary hypertension, put the Samprapti, Gunavigalpa, take the medicine and treat, that there is problem. So the Ama produced by unused theory usually doesn't respond to Langana Pachana or Shodhana. Experience in the treatment alone make you wiser. One palam of Ayurvedic practice is greater than 100 prasthas of theory. That's what I learned. You become wiser once you treat. Ayurveda is a multi-dimensional healthcare system. What is not there? Everything is there. The starting point of all achievements is desire, Icha. Keep this constantly in mind. Weak desires bring weak results. Just a small amount of fire makes small amount of heat. When I was in UG, I stayed in a OMA hostel. I used to close the door and imagine I am talking and all others are hearing. I did not want to concentrate on manufacturing or some other areas. I wanted to become a teacher and a practitioner. So I took, after the completion of BAMS, I had an opportunity to select knowing Dravya Guna, manufacturing of medicine, diagnosis. I took diagnosis as my life mission. And other things are also important. There are people who do work in research, they support us. Some people are good in Dravya Guna, that's very important, because without Dravya Guna you cannot practice. Reference about practice and ethics in Ayurveda, Sishyopanayiniyam Adhyayam, Ashtangradayam Sutram, 2nd chapter, Sishyopanayiniyam Adhyaya Upakrama, Susrutam Sutram, 2nd chapter, Yogya Sutriyam, Susrutam Sutram, 9th chapter, Shiganupraveshiyam Adhyayam Upakramam Susrutam 10th chapter, Kuttaga Chadushpadam 9th chapter Charaka, Tisreshiniyam Charagam Sutram 11th chapter, Dashapranayaniyam Charagam Sutram 29th chapter, Ayurveda Samuttani Rasayana Padam Charagam Chikisa 1/4. And we have some Vedantic principles told in Bhagavad Gita, and of course in Charaka, Shariram and Vimanam, here scattered here and there in Charaka Sankhya, which are used for medical practice. One is Dharma, righteousness, Dharayati iti Dharma, Aram. Valluvar says, Arattan Varvade Inpam, Mattallam Puratta, Pugalumille. Dharmam only is everything. Then Seva, service. Then Loka Sankraham, public welfare. Atmanaha Rakshartam Jagat Hidayate. Protect yourself and then protect the society. Nishkamya Karma, unattached action. Yavat Kandakada Pranaha Tavat Karyam Chikisidam. So Nishkamya Karmam. Sthita Prajnatvam, steadfastness, Samatvam, equanimity, treat king and the ordinary patient as same. Sreshta, be a leader in the practice in the hospital. Kaushalam, set an exam, excellence. Atmasamyam, you manage yourself. Anushasan, administration. And above all, Anandam. Anandam, many people think is the thing to be achieved. No. Anandam is your Swarupa. Anandam is Swarupa. Only thing you should realize it. That is what the text says. Saragas talks about Nirvana. Indian spirituality for our Ayurvedic hospital management. Anushasan, administration. Administration is very important. An Ayurvedic doctor who is managing an hospital in private practice should be an administrator. Chanakya, Kautilya, and his Arthashastra is a treatise on economics and administration which much contemporary relevance. Anushasan, then Prabandhan, management. Rishis were great managers. Rishis were incredible organizers, communicators, and change agents. Atmasamyam, self-management. Literatures in Indian languages such as Tirukural echo this value. A comprehensive model for self-understanding, development, and mastery is available in Patanjali's Ashtanga Yoga. Yama, Niyama are nothing but Achara Rasayanas. It enables conscious awareness, deliberate mastery over one's body, breathing, mind, will, intellect. Nyayam has given Panchabhuta theory. Vaiseshikam Vritissamane Sarvesham Viparidai Vipariyaga. Sankyam Purushan and Prakriti. Yogam Acharya Rasayanam. Mimamsam Deva Vipasaraya Chikissa, Vedantam Atmajnanam Sayeva Idam Brahma, Atma Eva Idam Brahma, Agam Eva Idam Brahma, Nirvigara Parastatma, all these things. This is what we learn in Padartha Vijnanam. But how do we start? Padasya Padayoho Padanam Vartaka Saktam Padam Asmad Padad Ayam Artaka Bodhyavi Ishvara Sangedaga Sakti. This is Gada. Your father thought this is Gada. Grandfather told this is Gada. Who gave him the Gada? Gada means pot. It is Ishvara Sankedaga Sakti. It is in the beginning was the word was with God, and the word was God. Vagartha Vivasamprukta Vagartha Pradipatye Jagadap Pidaro Vande Parvadipa Parameshwaro. Parvadiva Rameshwaro, Parvadi Parameshwaro. So Atma Samyan, Loka Sankragam. For whom we construct hospital? It's for making money, name, reputation. Many people, we are all behind money, name. In practical, answer is often not clear or edifying. Seva, Public good is achieved through service. My grandfather, how he practiced, the way in which I am not practicing. And not oppression, neglect or exploitation. The duty of doctors, staff and workers is to serve the patient. Now in COVID, you see 2 of my juniors, we posted in an allopathic hospital. They have given 20 patients to us. They wear all these angis and go there. Service, seva. They told we will go. Sir, I told you, I am afraid. No, seva. I told we will give more payment. Nothing needed. I want to do the research and want to prove Ayurveda is effective. So we are going. Morning 8 o'clock they went. So dharma. Dharmam is important for the practice. I have never got gift from any companies. I never sold samples. I never get commission for the quantum of scans I write. Dharayanti iti dharma, that which upholds the social fabric is dharma. There is swadharma, vaidya dharma. It's very important. Aram. Tamil it is called aram, dharma. Dharma, artha, kama, moksham, purushartham. Sreshta. You should be a leader in clinical practice and in the hospital. The pramanam, standards they set are, you set are followed by others, not the words. We should also pull up the dushkrita, the wrongdoers. These are all the important tasks of a leadership in the hospital for a healthy hospital and a healthy society. Sthita prajnatvam, steadfast. The sadhana, practice and in the commitment to the Jagat Hidam. Jagat Hidam. Atmanaha Rakshartham Jagat Hidayacha. The good of word, they can achieve the state where the prajna, consciousness, is sthiratvam, firm. Nishkamya karmam, karmanye va adhikaraha te ma paleshu kadachana. Decision making and action are important responsibilities, especially for seniors. We do have adhikaram, authority over our own action. If they are taken well, there is high probability that the results will follow. The highest job satisfaction, professional pride and long-term rewards come from the Nishkamya Karma Yogi. All these things will come to you. Everything will come to you if you do a Nishkamya Karma as your practice. Even 100% I am not doing, but I became better and better and better. My life was full of bad habits and other things. I fell down, I corrected, I started walking, I fell down, I corrected, now I walk. This would have happened in everybody's life. Charaka Samhita, 20th chapter, the Maitreyi asked the question, when the 4 padas, 16 angas are sufficient, you treat a case. The case fails and some quack comes and treat and he walks. Yes, fell down. Mityavadi Maitreya. Atreya says, Mityavadi. So when a person is fallen down, you give your hand. If there is a will to get up and if there is a faith to get up, let him get up. But don't cross without giving hand to him. That is the dharma. You can see it beautifully in that chapter, very beautifully told. Only in Charaka you find all these things. For Chikitsa, Ashtanga, Sankaragam and Chakradattam attracted me very well. But nothing equal to the philosophy of Charaka. Charaka Sankhya, Ishvara Krishna Sankhya, Panchasika Sankhya, how Charaka differs, Katida Purushiyam. I am studying since so many years. It is so Roga Vishakjidiyam, Charaka's research methodology, somebody presented from Charaka Samhita. It's so vast, no? It's so vast. Atado Dirkanji Yadidiyam Atyayas Vakya Syamaha Aksharanam Akorosmi. Aksharam commentary has written whatever text it is. Kausalam, excellence. Yogaha karmastu kausalam, Gita says. So your clinical practice and in teaching, You should excel. Every day is an examination for you. Samatvam. If minister comes and Pandaram comes, the Samatvam Yoga Muchade must be there. Yoga is the state of equanimity, coping with ups and downs, gains and losses, praise and criticism. Many people give a lot of samples we were giving to poor people. Nowadays, they give small samples. We may not be able to give it to others. I can tell them, this is biological waste. Don't give it to us. Many times you are attracted
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
one used to buy Dasamula from all the companies and put it in a vessel. I asked him to do that. He told one for Dasamulam is not available, Dundugam, Shonagam, and all difficult. One fellow would have ordered Dundugam, another fellow would not have ordered Kashmiri, another fellow would not have ordered Bilvam. If I mix all the Dasamula, then I will get original Dasamula. I told you, this is Buddhi, BAMS doctor ke varulu. Yoga is a state of equanimity, coping with ups and downs, gains and losses, praise and criticism. Now, many people criticize me. In Chennai, there is a person criticizing me, telling that I study modern medicine, I use stethoscope, I see ECG. So you are an Ashuddha Ayurveda. There is something called Shuddha Ayurveda. You should respect and honor every system, because we may not know when we want the help from other doctors and other systems. Now, during COVID period, so many allopathic doctors are under prophylactic treatment from us. So we go to allopathy also. Ananda. Ananda is joy. Ananda, this goes beyond tripti, satisfaction, sukham and comfort. For this, he himself should stay in a state of Ananda, recognizing that there is a true nature. Ananda means your Swarupam. If you know the Swarupam, because Stula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram, Stula Shariram is Kapha, Sukshma Shariram is Pitta, Vidya Vasanaya, Karana Shariram is Vayu, Panchakosam, the Panchakosam in every kosam, how Vada Pitta Kapha manifest. In Pranamayam, Vada becomes Prana, Pitta becomes Tejas, Kapha becomes Ojas, then Ichha Sakti, Kriya Sakti, Jnana Sakti, then Om Tat Sat. These things are missed in the curriculum. So, the spiritual perspective should not be missed. Ethical principles. He who regards kindness to humanity as his supreme religion and treats his patients accordingly succeeds best in achieving his aims of life and obtain greatest pleasure. You become a Duja. But once in a while, I read some sentences. If you want a good name, sinking cases you should not treat, like in Brigatrais and Lavutrais I have read. I disagree with that. Yavat Kandagada Pranam Tavat Karyam Chikisidam. Name and fame is not important. Compassion in healing is very important. We should help the soul to depart in a peaceful way, because Ayurvedam is related to Jyotisham, Ayurvedam is related to Sangeetam, Ayurvedam is related to Kalari, so many things. My Guru, Dr. B. Vaidyanathan Swar, knows 200, 300 kritis. One day he told me, Mukari is Bhayangara Rukshamana, it is Ruksham. Nayaki is Ruksham. Hararapriya, Shankarabaranam is Pitta Jamanam, Shankara is Shiva, Shankarabaranam is Ganges and Chandra. So it is a Pitta Shamana Raga. So I couldn't understand what he was telling. Now I realize actually when the agitation comes, you hear Shankarabaranam, you become very calm. Provided you have a tendency to enjoy the music. If somebody is not able to enjoy the music, you are hearing Kiravani Ragandanam Ballavi by Ragandanam Ballavi is Vadavittagava by Tanjavur Kalyan Raman. What he will do? He will simply sit or he will vacate the place. So, doctors versus doctors. We nowadays criticism, we alone know everything, we are the true doctors, like that in the Facebook they are writing. Even in my young age, I have done like that. By maturity, I corrected it. We have to respect all the doctors. We have to respect all the prescription. If somebody is referring, you should call and give the feedback. If the youngsters are calling, you should educate them. Refer the patient back to them. We do like that. Duties and responsibilities of a physician in general. You should maintain the medical records pertaining to his or her indoor patients for 3 years. Discharge summary must be given within 72 hours. Maintain register of medical certificates giving full details of certificates issued. Display registration numbers always. Use the generic names of the drugs. Many people change the name. They call Dvibanjamoola Hariragi. When they write the prescription, Dvibanjamoola Hariragi from Purasaivakkam to Mambalam, Mambalam to Chaitapettai, Chaitapettai to Adayar, the prescription was going Bhu Pradakshana Jabalam Labade. Chutti, 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 vandi hai. But after that, this Dvibanjamoola Hariragi, when I called, they told it is Dashamoola Haridagi. See, the marketing, the prescription should only come back to me. Chavya Chitragadi Gugulu, Yogaraja Gugulu. So these types of gimmicks people do. Highest quality of assurance in the patient care, expose of unethical conduct, payment of professional services, evasion of legal restriction. The physician should obey the laws of the country in regulating the practice of medicine. Prognosis. Neither exaggerate or minimize the gravity of the patient condition. 10 years before, from a big organization, an injury, traumatic quadriplegia came. Out of interest, we told them, this will recover by Ayurveda. We did physiotherapy, Ayurvedic therapy. It was a failure. Now, when a quadriplegia comes, I tell on the day one, it's not going to be effective. So, Mayavadi comes, I tell, see, don't waste the money, do some flexion extension, and don't ask physiotherapists, you have to pay daily, you yourself do. So, after that, the patient was very angry that we exaggerated and we lost the connectivity with the whole company. It's a very big organization and we did not get any patients from there. So, never exaggerate. Cirrhosis. Don't tell like that. For to tell the truth, you should learn modern medicine. When I was with a great master, there was a case came, Balahinam Dadakshayam. So the master gave Agnideepanam Srodoshodanam Brahmanam. Correct. In Kshaya, that is the treatment. Everybody will agree with Agnideepanam. Gandharvastadi Vaishwanam. Srodoshodanam Shakfalagodam. Rasayanam Savanaprasam in high quantity. No improvement. No improvement in Balam, no same thing, tiredness. One day he fell down. I took him to the hospital, took the sugar 630, he had diabetic ketoacidosis. Nadi couldn't find. Our conventional lakshanas could not find. So in order to find the hidden pathology, asymptomatic silent pathology, then I immediately took my scooter, bike, went to MMC, opposite of MMC, there was a shop and bought a Davidson. I thought this you should read. If Charagan is a rishi, Davidson is also a rishi. Harrison is a rishi, Susurdhar is a rishi. Rishayogo idam arsham, arsha vidya. This is arsha vidya, vaidya vidya sampradaya karturbhyo, vaidya rishibhyo, magatbhyo, namo gurubhya. It is a parampara. Who is a teacher? If you want to be a teacher, who is a teacher? Shrotravyaha. You should have heard from another teacher. Shastra nishtaha. You should be able to quote. Prayojya yuktaha. You should have practice. When I completed my BAMS, I met one person called Varadarajan, who was my family friend. He told Mahadevan, you should have a goal. Even if you sit in the top of the coconut tree, you should have 10 patients waiting at the bottom to receive your prescription. So, Shrotravyaha, Shastra Nishtaha, Prayojya Yuktaha, Chatam Bodadinga, please. Sampradaya Vid, Vaidya Vidya Sampradaya Kartribhyo, Vaidya Rishibhyo, Magatbhyo, Namo Gurubhyaha. You could not suddenly come in the TV, tell exaggeration, advertise some Vajikarana medicines. Many times the outer cover in the Vajikarana package produce more effect than the inner ingredients. That is how things are happened. Now some Chyavanprash biscuit has come. I told they stopped with Chyavanprash. They should not bring Chyavanprash aftershave lotion. So because marketing means marketing everything. Immunity boosting. Everybody is selling vitamin C, zinc, and suddenly some companies who tell the malt and all, they started telling vitamin C and zinc. The things are not proved. The physician shall not give or receive any gift. In my life, I have never received any gift. Gratuity, commission, I don't get commission. Bonus in consideration of the return for the referring, recommending. I pay full tax. That's why I am able to talk in front of you. I give full bill, the patient medical, surgical, and other treatment. Chatushpada, Bishak, Dravya, Ubasta, Rogi. Bishak should be an expert, academically qualified, experienced, hygienic. Dravya Gunam is very important. Without Dravya Guna, because Vadam is Bala is Vadagara, Rasna is Badagara, Vada Bala is Madhurasam, Madhura Bhagam, Sita Viriam, Snitha Gunam, Vadavitta Samanam, Dadak Shagaram, you in Yelaman lesion, you give that. Chirakari Avastha, not Purana Avastha, Rasna Tikta Kadu, Kadasam, Kadu Bhagam, Krishna Viriam, Kafavadagaram, Ashagari Avastha, in Nama you can give. Both are Vadagara in nature. Without Driviguna knowledge, Bahugalpam, Anega Vidagalpana, Triphala Arishtam, Triphala Churnam, Triphala Gradam, Triphala Dailam, Bahugunam, Sampanam, Yogyam. You have got a giant of Driviguna in your college, Ajayan Sadanandan sir. What a great scholar he is. I have been seeing his collection of plants. Amazing. I am practicing. Otherwise, I would have left this practice, sat under him, and studied Dravya Guna again, because I love Dravya Guna. Without Dravya Guna, medicine is important. Diagnosis followed by medicine. Qualities of, you put a samprapti, all these Ketulinga, Ushada for a pseudobulbar palsy. What is the use? Nowadays in the COVID-19, Jara, 2 cases, I gave from old text I studied, I gave Barangi and Vishnu Kranti. Vishnu Kranti, best Jwaragara Dravya, Tridoshagaram, Sannibadagaram, Jwaragaram, Vishnu Kranti. Getting is very difficult. But the Vishnu Kranti, within 1 day fever came down. 1 day. Aushadam. So, Upasta attender, loving attender should not be very beautiful, then there will be a problem. Hygienic, skilled, and intelligent. If they are very intelligent, they will not become an attender. They will become doctors. Qualities of a rogi, audio rogi, that I will not accept, because they should have lot of resources. What about poor? They go to the government hospital. Government hospital, you should not rely upon lab result so much to your clinical practice. When I was staying in Chennai, I had a roommate. Chennai Venkatramana Ayurveda College, nothing was there, but I met my Guru Vaidyanathan sir. But ragging was there, ragging. My mother used to make Sevanaprasam for me. My roommate take the bread, apply Sevanaprasam, he cover it with every day Sevanaprasam. One example per day. I gave the urine of this fellow. Evening result came. Do you know what was the result? Pregnant. Was pregnant. Unfortunately, I was the roommate. You think about that. My problem. So don't rely upon the lab result very much. You don't cheat the trader. Tamil na solluven. Nidal alla nijam. The medical reports are nidal, shadow. The person is nijam, truth. The needle and nijam should unite together in practice. That's why many think after sugar around 150, you should not come to a conclusion. The patient should be obedient, communicative, and have the courage. Now, COVID patient, the greatest problem is courage. They have become afraid, and they are afraid. Everybody is afraid of death. Three types of physicians: Chadmadara, quacks. They do a lot of advertisement and they don't have any clinical skill. But I tell you, some quacks are so powerful. Two quacks, they got an argument. One quack prepared one rasa ushada. So they brought a cat without a tail. This quack told, see my power. So he took the rasa mashi and applied in the buttocks of the cat. After 3 minutes, sound came. Then the tail came from the cat. Apurva Vaidya Namastasmai. He's a great Vaidya. He didn't study, but he got tail for a cat. Then other Vaidya told you, wait, don't appreciate him, wait. You pull the tail. They pulled the tail came out because it is a temporary fixation, not a permanent fixation. The tail came out. He took the machi from the another side, applied the machi in the tail. After a few minutes, cat came out. Meow! The cat came. So these two quacks told, who is better quack? Whether you are a better quack or I am a better quack. Sidma Sadida talks a great achiever, but they don't. I know so many people talking. I know whom I am talking about. You all know they talk so much. I sent my students there. No patient was there. Vaidya Guna Yukta, genuine physician. We call Vaidya Guna Yukta, genuine physician. Pranabhijara Vaidya Lakshana. You should be expertise in Shastra. Now assistant is coming, bringing vada to my students. I am able to smell the vada. If you are able to smell the vada, you do not have COVID. So that is a positive sign. Excellent practical skill, has the willpower to face the clinical challenges, applies his knowledge to save the life of the patient. Pranabhisara Vaidya. What a beautiful concept Saraka has given. Once you complete the curriculum, Ayurvedic curriculum, you become Duja, BIMS. Now they write bowel, appetite, micturition, and sex. This is how they write. What to do? People invent new things. I went to the oral. I told, what is the main ingredient of Sevanapras? He told Sevana. Sevana is the main ingredient. And I told, how will you remove the seeds? imagining Amalaki in my mind. He told very few seeds, slightly we can pull it out and remove it and fry it in the pan. I don't know what he thought about it. So these patients in clinical practice, you get a lot of interesting things also. One patient came to me and told, Malayalathilaana paranjathu, sir, kidney ila bayangara chorichalana paranjathu. See, you understand this statement? This is a very interesting statement. You cannot, you laugh, first you laugh. Then you think about it. Itching in kidney. You imagine? Then I kept the hand in the lumbar region. Do you have itching here? Sir, my kidney is not there. He was thinking some other reproductive organ as kidney. So you should ask him, where is your kidney? Oh, this is what the place you are talking about the pain? Okay, very nice. Only corona, one corona patient, I was talking about the corona. I told, how does it come? I told, you cannot see by the eyes. You cannot see by the eyes. Then he went into deep meditation. Aha! Asked, why are you doing thinking? You cannot see by eyes. If I see that, I will put it in my can, the nasiki eduthu konnuduven. I will kill that, he told. So these are all the varieties. I asked one person to lie down. He lied on my lap. I told, don't lie down on my lap. You go there and lie down. So these are all the varieties that actually exist. Need of a guru. Guru should have ethics and dharma, good Ayurvedic knowledge. There I have to talk about. I have so many gurus. First guru, Vaidyanathan. One day Vaidyanathan, I was with Vaidyanathan sir, night 2 o'clock. He had chest pain, Anjana. He doesn't use the word Anjana, no. He's a very classical Ayurveda Kalanidhi. And one of my guru boy took Dhanvantara Gudiga, opened the pipe from the wash basin, took water and gave it to him. He took that. Some 6 Dhanvantara Gudiga given and he got relief. Then he snapped at the cheek of the student. I was standing here. Guru adichiptare. Dhanvantara Gudiga Guduturka saved his life. He was unhappy and irritated. Then he asked us, bring Ashtanga Hridaya. Night 2:20. Night 2:20. Guru. Your Sishyas. Bring the book. Take Jwara Chikitsa. Take Ushna Jala Prayoga. Read it. Prananam avalambanam. When I am going to die, you should give hot water, vada, kafam, shidam. Ushnam is needed for vasodilatation. Vasodilatation, I tell, he didn't use the word because he doesn't use vasodilatation or these things. Old tradition. At that time he thought, Prananam avalambanam. Guru. One day he was making Pravala Pishti, he was making, quoting, Rasaratana Samuchya, Rasatarangani and all. Quoting, and I told him, sir, I want to become like you. What should I do? What book I should study? He told me, Mahadevan, you don't have to study anything. I have already studied. You just follow me. I followed him. Who will tell? Which guru will tell? See the words carefully. Mahadevan, you don't have to study anything. I have already studied. You just follow me. Even in spiritual path. Vaidyanathan is guru. Sadguru is spiritual. Jnanananda, Yogananda, Sadguru, Shirdi Baba. Everybody will have their own gurus. They say, Guru Paduka Stotram, Sachidananda Shiva Bhinavan Narasimha Bharati has written, Namo Namo Sri Guru Padugabhyam. Guru Nudiya Padathikille. Guru Nudiya Padam Padara Padugaiki Namaskar. It will save you. That's our Hindu culture. Periya Samskriti, Ayurveda is culture. Ethics and Dharma, Ayurvedic knowledge, willingness to teach. You should not hide anything. Secret medicine. Somebody will tell secret medicine. Secret, you keep secret. What is the secret? So many books are there. What is the secret? Somebody tells secret, don't go near them. For some, it may, what is the success in a clinical practice? For some, it may mean having, it may mean lot of patients. For others, new car every year, Audi car, Others may find presenting high quality papers in journals, writing in journals, while others find happiness in teaching. All are respectable. Some others do nothing, criticize others, and get happiness in that. Sugartha sarvabhutana, asya sugam, swapna sugam tari. Just criticize. What did you achieve? I don't achieve, I criticize. Who will succeed? A clinician who had knowledge and medical ethics and professionalism, an academician, teacher. You should learn thoroughly. From morning 3:30 today, I got up and studied Chakradatta, Jwaradhisara Chikitsa, because COVID patients are coming with diarrhea. So Jwaradhisaram is a separate chapter. I started studying that. Manager. You should be a manager who understands the business aspects of running a profitable clinic. Abharistam I made 15 rupees. People sell for 60 rupees. So don't write Aristam. My Idinans are used to tell, don't write Aristam. You may make huge money out of that. You are helping them. You make your own medicine. You see, my Guru Vaidyanathan, till the last date of his death, he prepared his own medicines at that age. He did not allow anybody to enter. I am not a Vaidya like him. My grandfather prepared his own medicine. When my grandfather gave the Shadangam, the Chandanam was added. Shadangam worked like Shadangam. Now Kasturi, Tadabave, Takolam, Adivishayam, Musta, Erecti Maduram, Erecti Vidayam, all these things, then will be effective. Medicine, we want medicine. That's why in my Gurukulam, we teach them how to prepare 30 medicines. For successful practice, you need only 30 medicines. Other medicines you write for joy and so many other purposes. Within 30 minutes, 30 medicines, you can have a very good practice. Self-analysis. What is your objective in life? Who is your driving force? What is your strength? What is your weakness? My weakness is Sanskrit. I do not know Sanskrit very well. So what I started doing, I started reading Tamil books. Tamil is my mother tongue, and learned so many new yogas. Ratna Purush, Voridal Tamarai, Ratna Purush, Vasti for infertility. All these things we invented. Not invented, it is there, it is 50, it is application. Behavioral style, your approach towards the problem, people and rules. When people will be coming and sitting, you will be writing the prescription. You see the eye of the patient. Annalum nokkinal. Adanal vandadu conjunctivitis na. Husband and wife paathunde irundhalam. Conjunctivitis vandadutha. So, analyze your practice and environment. Patient, what is his expectation? Service, give service. Competition, healthy competition is needed. Now I have Ayurveda college nearby, all very good doctors are there, excellent doctors. Healthy competition, it is needed. We maintain very good relationship, but competition is, that is needed. Regulation, you should know about laws. You do Siraveda, you do Prachana, put the bullet somewhere else. You should know how to dispose it. Who is teaching that? Do you do Madhu Tele Gavasti in a European closet? The Madhu Tele, Madhu Tailam, Gurdam, all these things go and block Srodha. You know, you should know, somebody should teach you. Strategic planning must be there. Quality of diagnosis. Diagnosis is very important. Write down the diagnosis. One fellow used to write 1/80, 1/40, 1/20. 1/80 is one of the Vada Vigaras. Great diagnosis. Great diagnosis. An ordinary person cannot diagnose. 1/40, it is a Pitta Vigara. 1/20, it is a Kapha Vigara. 1/18, it is a Kushta Vigara. Kadigragam, what a great diagnosis. Back pain. It is a translation of English word into Sanskrit. Kadigragam, is it a diagnosis? Once you tell Vada Pradhanya Kadigragam, Pitta Pradhanya Kadigragam, Kapha Pradhanya Kadigragam, then we can call it is diagnosis. Cost effective prescription. That is very difficult. Ayurvedam will go away from poor people, I tell you. Monitor every 6 months your income, number of patients coming, and number of procedures you do, Vasti, Uttaravasti, Balladagam, Tvaragam, etc. Starting an establishment, entry to start the practice, be on regular time. Now I am not on time, I was on time. explore and get into interventional procedures to become famous. Do Tuvaraka. I started Vasti, nobody was doing Vasti at that time. Do Balladaka, do Langali. Nobody is doing, you get named. Specialize and concentrate on specific area. Now I concentrate. Infertility, psychiatric problem, liver. Master over one speciality. Learn something about everything and everything about one thing. Paramahamsa Yogananda used to say, that's about God. Here we say something about everything about one thing. The one thing is neurology for me. I made a network. We call it network. Name. Call them by name. Hello, Muruga, come. How are you? How do you remember the name? Ask the nurse to keep the case sheet in the table. You read it. Who is the next patient? Murugan. Oh, Yarmavara. Murugan. Muruga, come, sit down. How is your village? Aad Chenayacha, Madavanjida, Kulichia, Chataya, Pontati Saukima, Pontati Saukima, the Onakeneya. But Kakan. Eye to eye contact. Indriyartha Sannigarshajanyam Jnanam Pratiksham Tattvavidam Nirvikalpakam Savikalpakam. Talk less and listen more. Write notes always. Ask open-ended question. Resource. Be a resourceful person. After sitting with you, they should know that they are under the hands of a good doctor. Knowledge. They should know that you are knowledgeable and they are not under a cat. Challenge them. Challenge the diagnosis. I tell the students, come, sit with me, sit in front of me, question me, challenge me, because I am your teacher. That's important. Clinical procedures, admission, presenting complaint, past history, personal history, allergies, Agni, Ama, Mala, Kosta. Agni and Kosta are very, very, very important. Diagnosis, diet, lab, radiology. History, very deep. That's it. Don't go to Puru Janmanda. Puru Janma, you were dog. That's why you crossed the road and you got accident. Don't tell like that. Prescription format, maintain case sheets. Write with hair. Many doctors do not have good handwriting. I don't know why. Even my handwriting is bad. Write the name, age, and sex. One fellow misunderstood the word sex, and he wrote in Yemen like that. So it should be readable. The medicines are available. If you write something which is not available, what will they do? Some Swarnakanta Vallabarasam, if you write in Kerala, the prescription will go Kerala, throughout Kerala. Think about affordability. Right occupation. Advice to teach the drug. Very difficult. Prag Bhakta, Madhya Bhakta, Mantar Bhakta, Mugur, Grasa, Antaram, Nishi. Very difficult to educate Ayurvedically. One tablet 2 times a day. Not possible. People do and they are successful. Money wise, name wise, fame wise, crowd wise, they are successful. Requirements of general practice. Stethoscope. Buy from Microtone company. 1060 rupees. Thermometer, glass, buy that digital Omron, 210 rupees. Weighing machine, Equinox, 860. Mercury, diamond, 2349. Torchlight, many clinic will not be having good torchlight. Oh, Shinam, it needs some putti. So change the battery every 10 days. Very important. If a torchlight is not working, I get very angry with the students. Torchlight should work. Then only your brain will work. Eveready, Dean 192 is best. Examination table by Arya company, 21,000 rupees. Hot water bags, Healthic, 108 rupees. Infrared rays, Medical Bazaar. Knee hammer, buy tendon hammer from, it is called Vellore hammer. Don't buy the round hammer. Hammer like hammer, the Neelam Chapaya. Madras is available opposite to MMC. It is 700 rupees at that time. A beautiful knee hammer. You want to elicit the reflexes. A knee reflex was the first reflex elicited. That's why they call it knee hammer. Actual name is tendon hammer. Glucometer, AccuCheck, pulse oximeter. Everybody is buying pulse oximeter nowadays because of COVID. Pictures, you can have beautiful pictures. God and Dhanvantari, Agastya, Gurus. This is what I usually see. Some people keep some sceneries, some people some obesity and all that. Ayurvedic emergency kit should contain Kasturi Gudiga, Dhanvantara Gudiga, Dasamula Rishta, Siddha Makarachuda, Kasturi Kalparasayana, Navasara, smelling salt, Jiraga Rishtam, Rasnadi, Ashtajurnam, Vilvadi, Sudarsanam. Important points for clinic. Give importance to the prayer. Pray. Don't show the prayer as if you are praying a particular God only. You should pray. If you pray to some other God, you will go to hell. All other gods are Satan. Don't lie. One fellow told me, you are a good person, but you go to hell. I asked him why. Because he told the name of a particular God and told I am not praying him. I told I will be very happy to go to the hell. Then he asked why? Because I can see Mahatma Gandhi, Subramania Bharati, all these fellows at the hell because they didn't worship the God you mentioned. So create a balance between theory and practice. Do not fix diagnosis immediately. Proceed step by step. Ask whether the trouble is significant or not. Do not neglect the casual symptoms. Exclude treatable causes first. Correlate lab findings. Never depend on lab investigation. Remember side effects of drugs and interaction. Many Ayurvedic doctors do not know modern pharmacology. When there is pedal edema, they give Purnavadi, Adadi Badadi, Jurnam, Chandrapravada, Samurari, Gudarataka Prayoga. They don't think it is due to amlodipine. CPK is elevated, muscle pain, they don't think about statin. If there is QT prolongation, they don't think about antipsychotics. Mental stress give importance. Everybody is stressful. Husband and wife are unhappy. I have never seen a happy couple. Many couple are unhappy. Husbands are afraid of wives. They come and the pulse rate increases. Insist on review. When they go out, pulse rate becomes normal. They insist on review and to what extent the disease can be cured. Tell the truth. Tell the limitation. Myopathy ki navarakadiyum pidichalum mandina maha papamilya. Don't be so conservative. Don't try to prove Shastra all the time. Accept a limitation. Accept your knowledge. Understand that you have not seen many cases in your college time. I have not seen pancreatic amylase elevation, intestinal TV at 10 to 15 days before I did investigation. Post-coital burning sensation was the complaint. We found it was in a prostatic TB with the help of urologist. Various carcinomas, uncommon infection, mesenteric occlusion, Parkinson plus. You will obviously miss that. Fallopian tube block, how do you know? Will you find it by Nadi? Don't criticize doctors. If they criticize, you then react. Understand that 4 things are common to every doctor. Adverse reaction. If you give Baladagam, hypersensitivity, Tuvaragam, bad prognosis, MND, percentage of error will happen to everybody. I got a TB case, took a CT, did sputum, did TB ferron, TB is okay, cough, COVID tested 3 times, negative, fever evening, 99 to 100. And I thought TB is ruled out. Went to pulmonologist. Pulmonologist took the case and wrote one test. That is gene expert. Gene expert for TB. And I thought we have studied, every day we are studying. We know gene expert has to be checked for sputum. I didn't do that because it didn't strike me. We are not seeing the pulmonary TB all the time. If it is rheumatoid or Jogren, you would have played. But that's why I told percentage of error. You can come to me. I made a lot of mistakes. Mahadevan is a bad doctor too. I made mistake experience because of Sadguru's Kripa. My Guru, my Paramaguru, my all divine blessings, my blessings of my grandfather, and change. Like this change will happen to everybody. Be conscious about patent drugs. Many patent drugs are not useful. Don't buy Rasa Aushadas from unknown companies. Develop a sense of humor also. Humor is very important. Don't use unaffiliated fellowship, ABCD, EFGH, INOPQ, NPQ, AML. Don't put these degrees. There is no shortcut to clinical success. Even if it happens, it won't last. Let us be silent, that we may hear the whispers of God. My patient taught me that there is more to medicine than pills and incisions. Remember that. One generation's miracle may be another scientific fact. Now you have this brain hemisphere, left and right. You concentrate on the prefrontal lobe, which is related to emotion and cognition. And depression, serotonin, I always tell after telling everything in the last. Dopamine is Vada, serotonin, Pitta, GABA, Kapha, histamine, Kapha, and all. Acetylcholine is also Vada. So serotonin level, limbic system, I always tell limbic system, hippocampus, reticular formation, whenever I talk about Manas. Neurology is amazing, I tell you. Neurology is Mula Siddhanta plus common sense. Mula Siddhanta plus basic anatomy plus common sense is equal to clinical medicine. Meditation and prayers. People who meditate, they become calm, their limbic system activated. They become positive. But meditation is very difficult. I cannot sit and meditate. One day I went to great gurus meditation, 20 minutes over. They tied my eyes also. I slightly removed it, opened my eyes and saw. I saw that I alone was seeing. So many people were seeing me also. They couldn't, all these Vada Prakritis, they could not sit and meditate. Nama Japa is better for them. An indication that one can develop brain and intelligence. My comprehension of God comes from deeply felt conviction that superior intelligence that prevails everywhere. Wisdom, knowledge comes as wisdom lingers. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramika vidyate. Jnanathukku inaya edhum kedayadu. Three scholars Ashtangam has got. Ramya, what a scholar she is. Rahul. Ramya is becoming the mother of Panchakarma. Everywhere people talk about. Prasad sir, what a personality he is. Principal sir, he is an academician, clinician, he makes medicine, he is a principal, he went to so many countries, he talks so much. Every emergency medicine he talks. What a great person he is. So you have got a wonderful team, wonderful team, wonderful team. I wanted to come there, but it is little far away. Knowledge comes. Wisdom is not produced by schooling of lifelong attempt to acquire it. Dissatisfaction with the way of medicine is practiced. People are dissatisfied with the doctors. The careless attitude of the medical fraternity, probably due to their busy schedules. Doctors spend less time with patients, more time with administration, research work, paperwork, QA, investigatory reports, publishing papers. Even me, I am asked juniors to see. Interest has changed. Waiting time in OPD is increasing. They are frustrated. They are frustrated sitting in the OP. Cleanliness levels are not up to the standard in many Ayurvedic hospitals. Because we apply oil, they touch the floor, lehias. I went to one fellow's Vaidishala. He made a lehia. One lizard fell down on the lehia. Everybody told the 50 kilos you throw away. Then this fellow told, he brought a big spoon, removed that big area of lehium with the lizard and put it away. I asked him why. He told, the lizard cannot swim. So it struck onto the lehium. So if you remove that area alone, other part of the lehias are safe. See how the Bhukti of Ayurveda doctors are working. Amazing fellows. I wrote a joke book on Ayurveda. Then I thought people will criticize me. Already everybody is criticizing. So I felt very shy and I didn't publish it. Otherwise, if you buy 2 books, I wanted to give one joke book free of cost. But jokes are available. As I am matured and 52 years old now, I don't talk about those jokes anymore. When I was saying, I was talking about that. Nowadays, medicine has turned into market commodity. Everything revolves around finance and gives bad impression of the medical profession. Even me. Worldwide research provides 50% of the coronary artery bypass grafts were not required. Technology improved, but the understanding has not improved. Remove the stress, sleep well, exercise, be happy. We can't tell all these things in the class. How can you be happy? When you have piles, how can you be happy? You cannot be happy. Ask shall be given to you. Seek ye shall find. Knock it, it shall be opened. The compassionate mind is like a Dixer. It is capable of transforming bad situation into beneficial things. Dalai Lama. Best of modules, meditations, removing the stress, meditation. Be tolerant. Tolerant is very important. Type A personality, type B personality, various personalities. Understand your personality. Appointments. Be on time. Allow additional time for elderly. Patients attending for the first time will take longer as their history must be recorded and needs assessment. Medical ethics, ethical, straightforward. Autonomy, Swatantra, Atmaja Pratyasakti, autonomy. Beneficence, Bhagujana Sukhaya, Bhagujana Hitaya. Non-malefence, Abhayam Sarvabhudeshu, protect everybody. Maleficence. Karma Yoga, and that's do is like Karma Yoga. Everything you do, Ishvara Arpana Buddhi, Ishvara Prasada Buddhi. See Ishvara Narayana, Vaidyo Narayano Hari. See Narayana, only in Indian culture. Ishvara Guru Ratmedi, Ishvara Sarvabhudana. You see Ishvara in everything. One fellow asked, where do you worship Kal, stone? I don't worship stone. I worship the Bhagavan present in this stone. Utpattim cha vinasham cha bhudanam agadim gadim veddi vidyam avidyam cha. So, Karma Yoga, express empathy. Do not be defensive. When the patient says, hear it. Choose the best time of the day to deal with the difficult cases. Morning 8:30 to 11 is best for challenging cases. If they come by 2:30, you sleep, I tell you. Padartha Vijnanam, Shalakyam, Rasasahasram and all. It's like sleep. Don't downplay the seriousness of the patient's complaint. Don't interrupt when the patient talks. Never argue with the patient. Patient is boss. Be a listener. Always choose a positive word. But every day, I call the patients and hello, this is Mahadevan. How do you do after discharge? They are very happy. I send greeting cards. I send messages. How are you? Are you okay? Make them happy. You are happy. Everybody is happy. India is happy. World is happy. Ama and junk foods. Understand when you tell Patya, don't tell these Pishtana, Vidalaga, all these things. Tell current day items. Ama, biscuits, chips, pickles, buns, pizza, candy, hamburger, noodles. You should know about the Tridoshik perspective of these things. Read my books. When you tell Patyam for Vada, onions, peas, Vada increasing, soya, lamb, pork, tea, coffee. Vada reducing, lemon, mangoes, cooked greens, pumpkins, cashews, sunflower oil. Kapha, Pitta, Vada. Writing certificate. Certificate is a document of regal value. Write it carefully. Never give false certificate. However the patient is close to you. Always keep a carbon copy. How to write certificate is not taught in the curriculum. Write the diagnosis clear. Write the all Ayurvedic diagnosis, bracket, modern diagnosis. Andhra Pravesam. What is Andhra is Hyderabad and that is Telangana. Interception you should write. This is sick leave certificate. You read my books, how to write a certificate. I will give the PowerPoint to Ramya ji. You give it to people. Let them know how to write sick certificate, death certificate, fitness certificate. Before Panchakarma, take a consent. How to write a consent? You apply oil, they fell down. You are gone. So get a consent. Even in OPD, get a consent. Co-workers, respect your employees, be fair to them, call them by name, give an opportunity, don't punish them in front of others, reward them, take to the room privately and correct them, befriend them. Dealing with mistake, accept that everybody makes mistake, discuss with colleague, apologize. I often apologize. I tell one day, long back when I was immature, your Nandi sir, principal, or my beloved friend, brother, I argued with him unnecessarily and I did a mistake. I feel shy very now. Now I am a matured person. I told him, apologize for what I have done. What I did was wrong. He was magnanimously left me and magnanimously blessed me and became much close to me. I feel very shy now. I made a mistake. Who will not make a mistake? I had mood swings. Now I am stable. So make changes in your practice to reduce similar errors in the future. So correct yourself. Read every day. Read every day. Ashtangardhyam every day. Why Ashtangardhyam every day? Alpasya kalo bhagavasya vignaha. Time is very less. So many troubles. Corona. So many troubles. Yet Sara Bodham Tad Upasidavyam. What is this Sara? Ashtangardhyam. Do Upasana. Vaidya Ratnavali written by Dr. B. Vaidyanathan sir. Kapoor textbook of medicine read every day. General practice by Ghanshyam Vaidya read every day. Textbook Merck manual read every day. Managing symptoms in general practice by Arvind Kothari read every day. Bette's Guide to Physical Examination read every day. Memorizing medicine faster and better by Nagmi. By Kothari and Kothari, read every day. Krishnadas sir textbook of medicine optional. Doctor and Law by S.K. Sinhal. If you follow my tradition and if you are attracted by my views, read some of my books. If you want to be a good teacher, study well, be a good student. Every day you study, go to the classroom with enthusiasm, impress the doctors, teach well, quote more, quote new things, study and go. Don't think translation of slogam is class. Class should come from the heart like a fountain. You should enter into the heart with the knowledge of wisdom. Only a constant work is possible because not be
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. I think there is some technical issue with the presenter. He have got out from the meeting. We shall wait for him to come back. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
So young students, you study the commentaries. When even in my MD, my masters did not tell about commentary. Raghavan Thirumalpad sir has given his rich tradition to Prasad sir and others. What a great Mahatma. We have not seen Saraka, but we have seen him. So follow the tradition, read commentaries, try to understand, go deep into the Sanskrit, improve your Sanskrit. I didn't do that. I have improved in various other areas, but Sanskrit is my weakness because for a Tamil student, Sanskrit is a problem. But nowadays, Tamil students, they talk also. There's one boy called Vairamuthu who talks in Sanskrit. And he's my student. And I thank everybody. And above all, I want to tell one thing. I do not know anything about computers. Whatever you have seen, whatever the books you are reading, whatever the audio visual I am presenting, all the credit goes to my secretary, brother, manager, Mr. Saju Ramachandran. So I owe my clinical existence to him. I thank him from my heart, not keeping in my heart, by keeping in my head. Thank you. Thank you very much. If there are any question, I will answer it. നമ്മുടെ ദീപക് പോലെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു. എവിടെ
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the wonderful session. Now the session is open for discussion or any queries, and you can interact with Mahadevan sir. So I think the host, Dr. Sri Parvati, you may allow participants to unmute themselves. All others are requested to please mute their mics.
Now the participants can unmute themselves and ask for the if queries, if any.
What is the question?
No question, sir. I said the participants can unmute themselves and ask the questions, if any.
Okay, okay. Okay then.
Hello, sir. Sir, this is Rahul.
Hello, Rahul. How are you?
Sir, going fine, sir. Sir,
okay.
Will you please explain, sir, how to read the Chikitsasthana and Nidhanasthana in comparison with the Western medicine knowledge, sir?
No, you read them separately. Once you practice, automatically the merging, amalgamation and the synchronization will come. After reading the conventional books, Susruta and all, you go through Dr. Sinhal's work. That will give you how to go through the modern version of Ayurvedic topics. Sinhal, start from Susruta, then come to other Samhitas for knowing the Ayurveda to modern. If you want to know the comparative thing, start from Susruta, then come to other works. That's what I did in my career.
You prefer Ashtanga Sangraha and Susruta, sir? Both? Or Susruta first?
First I studied Susruta. Then okay. Ashtanga Sangraham, Sutra Sthanam, Vritikshaya Lakshana, Sandal, Pittam, Mandayani Laga, Sidam Prabhagani, like that cover. Here in Ashtanga Sangraha, big verses. So I thought Ashtanga Sangraham has to be thoroughly studied. Then I studied Sutra Sthana. Then Chikitsasthana, Ashtanga Hridayam, Sahasra Yogam and Chakradatta. Nowadays, for every disease, I read Vangasena, Siddha Yoga Sangraha, Vrindamadava, Vaidyoga Ratnavali. Every book I am reading. Pintadailam also, recently I found 7 Pintadailams are there after reading all these books. And the word meaning of the pindam, we thought it will attain pinda consistency. In one commentary I have studied, sarjarasam is called pindam. So after 24 years of practice, I understood sarjarasam is pindam, not it attains pinda consistency. So everyday process, it's a everyday process.
It's a very valuable advice, sir, that everyday reading is essential for clinical practice.
Yeah, every day. And it gives you joy also. No? The greatest joy is to study. Studying gives you happiness. Teaching gives you much more happiness.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, myself, Swapnil Khandagade, sir, from Amravati, sir, Maharashtra.
Namaste, sir. Tell in English. Welcome. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Sir, how to study kalpas? Kalpa, sir, how to study specific action of the kalpas? Just like Tapya Loha is indicated in Pandu Chikitsa, but also tells about the apasmara. Sir, that's type.
Is Yoni Roga. Dhatri Logam, Manduradi Logam, Satavaryadi Logam, Tapyadi Logam. What is the difference? All are logas. So the best thing is every text you should learn Samanya Palasruti, Vishesha Palasruti separately. Otherwise, I have written a beautiful book, Comparative Study and Doshik Analysis of Yogas. That is the easiest method, and to hear my CDs. That's very easy. After getting a fundamental knowledge, then you yourself can read that. If you write to me, I will send the details about it. Mahadevan101@gmail.com. If you write that, I will send you what to do, because materials are available to improve that skill very easily. Thank you. Then finish it off.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir. Sir, அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவாங்க ஸ்ரவண மாத்திரேன முக்தி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சத்தியமே சார். உங்க பேச்சை எப்பெல்லாம் கேட்கிறோமோ அப்ப எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஆயுர்வேதோட இன்னொரு பரிணாமத்தை நாங்க பாக்குறோம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி ஒரு எண்ணங்கள் சார். அது எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சதுக்கு இந்த குருமுகத்தை ஏற்பாடு பண்ண கொடுத்த இந்த ஆர்கனைசர்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் சார். நன்றிகள்.
ஸ்ரவண மாத்திரேன முக்தி சுரேஸ்வராச்சாரியார் வேதாந்த பாடத்துல சொன்ன வாக்கியம் அது. அத நான் ஆயுர்வேதத்துல கோட் பண்ணேன்.
மகோதயஸ்ய வாக்கியம் ஸ்ருத்வாபி வயமபி பிரேரிதாக ஸ்வயம் சர்வ சதா சர்வதா மார்கதர்ஷனம் மகோதயஸ்ய சாநித்யேன அஸ்மாகம் கிருதே லப்யதே இதி மகான் சந்தோஷஸ்ய விஷயः.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mahadevan, sir. So I think we are moving towards the end part of our session. So before we go for the vote of thanks, can I call upon our principal, sir, Dr. Narayanan Nambi, sir, to speak a few words, even though he couldn't enter the session in the initial part because of the overrush, but he is there with us. Nambi, sir, could you please speak a few words? Sir, please.
It's a great pleasure and honor to have Mahadevan sir in the online platform for all the participants, especially the teachers of Ashtangam. And please accept our words, and please, at this occasion, I deeply, kindly accept my apologize. The 15 years back, what I had, I deeply.
No. Mistake was mine. I am sorry. Now we are very brothers and we are friends.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely, sir. your speech was so inspirational, and remembering the words of in the Bhagavatam, like Guru Nanugrahena iva puman purna prajayate. So like that, you are one of the gurus who are able to inspire teachers. So it's a very rare occasion. Normally, people will hear lessons from different people, but most of the time teachers will address the students. So this is the teachers, you are addressing the teachers. By and large, the audience here in 100 people are teachers. Most of them, all the core professional, ethical, even the spiritual dimension. This is something really needed to complete, because the completeness is always needed so that a guru can always correct. So on behalf of Ashtangam, I really touching your soul and touching your foot. Once again, thank you on behalf of all of us. Definitely, we want you to come to Ashtangam and have lessons to all our students and teachers, because teachers like you can really change the people's mindset up, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Accept my Pada Namaskaram also.
I request Dr. Ramya or Siparudi, can you please hand over the certificates electronically on behalf of Ashtangam on this occasion? We had continuously Gurumukham from last, and today we had the 9th Gurumukham. The 9 is a great number because Navanidam, actually today Mahadevan sir is like Navanidam, because you know the whole Ayurveda is like a ocean, and he really made the Navanidam. So this in the Gurumukham, you made the Navanidam, Navam Vrishyam. So you made the real Vrishya of all the dhatus, through all touching all the dhatus of a clinician, from theoretical, practical, clinical, religious, spiritual, whatnot. I don't have any words to say because you really touched. Most of the time, many teachers may speak very inspirationally, touching different things, but you touch the real practical too, you know, how to write a certificate. There are seldom teachers does that. So on behalf of all of us, I would like to give a small certificates. Now everything is happening in electronically, sir. So very sorry, electronic.
No. It's a prasadam.
So the Jagat is a Maya, no sir. Now it is also a Maya.
Yeah.
It is a Maya.
Yes. Okay.
Sri Parvati, are you able to open that?
Sir, it is shared. Is it not visible?
Not visible. Just double click on that. Okay.
Is it visible, sir?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Now it.
Thank you very much. I accept this with humility and respect and love and peace. It is an honor to me to talk in front of great stalwarts of Ayurveda. I feel blessed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nambi, sir. So towards the end, we have the vote of thanks. I call upon Dr. Rahul R. Nair, President, Pacto, Kerala State Unit, for the vote of thanks. Doctor, please.
Respected audience, respected Mahadevan sir, it's indeed a great honor to me to thank my very respected Guru Mahadevan sir for giving us such a very nice, fantastic oration dealing with how to develop the clinical practice and how to be a very successful clinician. So during our discussions, we used to think whether the Sutrasthanam is actually the last written part of a Samhita. Why? Because it engulfs all the important principles written everywhere else in Nidhanasthana, Chikitsasthana, and Kalpa, etc. It acts like a forward, whereas the other parts, the Nidhanasthanam, Chikitsasthanam, etc., is actually the elaboration, the point-to-point elaboration of all those activities, all those principles which are mentioned in the Sutrasthana. And I want to say that the people like you, sir, you, Prakash, etc., have actually been the manifestation of Kaya Chikitsa. When I feel that, but I feel that you practice what you preach. Whenever I came to your clinic, I could see that people will be coming to you with just 3 days old baby is coming, another person coming with a stroke, coming to you at the time of evolution of stroke, and you immediately sending for investigation, then getting admitted to your hospital, and you are very very fearless in handling such cases. So that all gave me the impression that you are actually the manifestation of the Acharya, the old Acharyas who have a very great way. From entire Ashtanga I am thanking you on 6 slide. Also, one more thing I want to stress is that, sir, previously 2 or 3 of seminars and classes, you come with the case reports. Sir, you remember one occasion when you came to Hotel Elite at Thrissur, where you have got a presentation on lung cancer. So, you came with a 16 case report series. And in that case report series, you mentioned the pre and post analysis of a lot of patients who have been treated under you with lung cancer, who got very best results, and you have even shown the anatomical changes, the structural changes happened to those patients after taking Ayurvedic medication. COVID period, they are saying that there are different protocols, there are different medicines for COVID. You came with an excellent case series, sir. Very excellent case series, which is being circulated all throughout India, and all over they are appreciating your sense of including Ayurvedic medications and comparing their efficacy by using the most specific investigations like D-dimer, etc. So I also remember one beautiful incident which happened in my life, in which I saw you for the very first time. It was in Kottakkal Ayurveda College, and you have been invited by my sir Prakash Mangalaseri to have a lecture on Vadaraktam. And you came there, sir, and you told us that I am going to present a series of cases of Vadaraktam in which I have not used any medicine from the Vadarakta Prakarana. Instead, I have used the medicines from Jwaram. So hearing that as a final year student, I got very much inspired. So all your talks, right from my final year life till today, you have given a lot of inspiration, to read Shastra, to practice Shastra, to find out the new dimensions, etc. So on behalf of everyone, sir, assembled here, I thank you, and I prostrate on behalf of everyone at your feet. And I pray you may bless us all in here in Ashtangam, as well as all hearing this to become great clinicians. Thank you, sir. And I also thank from the bottom of my heart to all those present here to enrich the present clinical session. And also my thanks to Professor Dr. Nambi sir for delivering such a good final comment on the presentation, and also to Dr. Purushothaman sir for delivering an excellent presidential address. And once again, I thank you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. We on behalf of Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapeetham thank all of you for being with us, and we hope to come again enlightening us with many sessions more. Next week we have a session by Dr. Murli K on how to read a Samhita. So we all are waiting for the next session too. Once again, wish a good day today. Thank you. I thank Dr. Sri Parvati too for hosting the whole session. Thank you, Dr. Sri Parvati.